Coucou la famille de Clara Keno. Today I'm going to visit my friend from Pakistan. We've got some things to do, so let's see what we're gonna show you guys today. We're gonna show you a rabbit, how to cook a rabbit, real rabbit. So this rabbit help a lot. Apparently what he said to me, he help for asthma, he help for cough, he help for cold as well, for a lot of things. This help you. So I'm gonna go inside, we show you how that look. Then my friend will continue to cook. Then after I'll show you the video again because I'm not gonna stay there for a long time. Let's go. Clara Keno, Clara Kitchen Solution. Today I'm here to show you guys a lot that we never knew about it. This is my brother from Pakistan. It's a good friend of mine. So today we're going to teach you guys about rabbit. Oh la la. Guys, look. We miss a lot. I can't even touch it. I'm not scared. Oh my God, look at the rabbit. So this one, it help a lot. It help a lot. So my body is going to explain to you guys what this does to our body.
Yes, of course. This one is the wild rabbit, and as this is right now, winter is coming, so it's really cold in here. If we cook these wild rabbits, they are going to help us end our fevers, and I think they will be helping us getting our blood flow much better and our breathing. If somebody has a problem of asthma. Any breathing problem, I think it could be gone if you just cook it rightly, and then if you eat it, and then there won't be any kind of asthma problem or any breathing problem, so you will be healthy and strong.
Especially in this country,
yes,
we've got a lot of people that suffer from asthma. Guys, if this was alive, I wouldn't touch it. Yeah. But look, rabbit, you are dead already. Today we're gonna eat you. Clara Kitchen Solution. I'll be bringing more content, guys. If you know anything, please, we are here to learn. But please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you. We're gonna show you the results. Yeah? Okay. If you are from back home, you know what we're talking. But if people are not from there, you can learn for us. Thank you, brother. Okay. Guys, as you can see, we put our rabbit in the cooker. So the cooker is on. So we're gonna let that boil like a 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're gonna pull the skin. We're gonna show you guys in a minute after when it's boiling. Just tiny bit because it was frozen.
yogurt.
Got the yogurt.